ZwitterCo Evolution Membranes are built with zwitterionic copolymers, a new class of material for membranes. They are built by permanently binding zwitterions, which are strongly hydrophilic molecules due to their positively and negatively charged groups with a polymeric backbone, making the entire layer extremely hydrophilic. So, water molecules can pass through freely and the layer stays fully hydrated. ZwitterCo Evolution PCM and SF membranes are targeted toward protein concentration. Evolution RO is designed for product concentration and polishing. Imagine a feed stream containing proteins, fats, lactose, minerals, and small organic, such as non-protein nitrogen, flowing through the channel. Lactose, minerals, and small organics pass through the membranes, but proteins and fats don't. Most of the fats and proteins pass down through the channel. However, a portion will stick to the membrane walls. On conventional membranes, these proteins and fats stick firmly to the surface. During the operating day, and as the feed concentration increases, this causes a gel layer to form that reduces operating flux. With ZwitterCo membranes, proteins and fats don't adhere as firmly. Instead, they sit on the surface like a bead of water. Because it takes less force to remove them from the membrane surface, a thinner gel layer forms, resulting in higher flux. Because of the anti-fouling nature of evolution membranes, they not only improve flux, but also lead to better performance recovery with a faster, lower-cost cleaning program, cutting one or more steps from the program. This results in increased productivity, a simplified cleaning program, and reduced chemical and water use. These membranes have a variety of uses for companies processing dairy streams, plant proteins, and other animal proteins. Enzyme and fermentation downstream processing are also proven application. Evolve your plant to the next level with ZwitterCo Evolution Membranes.